Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. According to watching the video, children, I had uploaded one video of percentage. I hope you understood and completed your practice question. Today, I am going to discuss in this video how to convert percentage into fraction and how percentage can be converted into decimal and how to find the percentage of a given quantity and so on. So now let us start on page number 141, question number 2, and on page number here 40, here same type questions are given. So I would like to start from page number 141. Convert the following percentage into fraction. So now come on. So take your book and notes book and pen, and by watching the video you can prepare your notes also. So now come on page number 141, page 141, question number 2. So convert the following percentage into fractions. First one here, 10%. Asking convert this into fraction. So I had explained that a percentage is a fraction whose denominator should be 100. So you can replace the percentage symbol and the given number you have to write as a numerator, and denominator should be write 100. That is percentage means multiplied by 1 by 100. Or simply you can write 10% means 10 by 100. 10% means 10 out of 100. You know already. You can reduce this into lowest term. You know how to convert a given fraction into lowest term. We have to search the common factor between 10 and 100. That is, you can search the highest common factor of 10 and 100. You can like that method, or you can cancel 110. That is, 10 is a highest common factor between 10 and 100. So both number are divided by 10, or 10 can be cancelled, and 1 by 10. So 10% here converted into fraction 1 by 10. So similarly you can complete the remaining question. All are like the same. Second one here, 20%. So this can be written 20 by 100. 110 can be cancelled. 2 and 10 both are divided by 2. 2 and 2, 2 5 10. That is 1 by 5. And third one, we have written 24%. So this can be written as 24 by 100. See, 24 and 100 both are divided by 2. You can divide by 2. Or HCF of 24 and 100, that is the highest common factor between 24 and 100 is 4. You can divide directly by 4. 4 6 ja 24. 4 2 ja 10. 4 5 ja 20. So this will be 6 by 25. So remaining question should complete by yourself. I will give some question for practice. Now see your book. Here on that page, here given fill it, and here 3 columns are given. In first column decimal numbers are given and saying convert into first fraction, and then fraction can be convert after that percentage. That is decimal are given, so decimal first to convert to fraction, you know how a decimal will be converted into fraction because we have studied the chapter decimal. And I had already explained how fraction can be converted into percentage by multiplying 100 directly. So you can do it. Now the same page number 141 and question number 1, we are saying fill it, and 3 column are given. In first column here decimal number are written, decimal, and second column we are asking convert this decimal into fraction, and third column saying convert this fraction into percentage. Percentage. This is the symbol of percentage. First one here given 0.7. So you know how a decimal number can be converted into fraction. Here see, first you write this number without decimal as numerator, and what would be denominator? Suppose decimal as 1 in denominator, children. Suppose decimal as 1, and you count how many places of decimal, or you can count the number of digit after point. That number should be 0. Here after point 1 digit, so after 1 0. That is 7 by 10. And this here asking convert into percentage. So I have already explained how a fraction can be converted into percentage two way. You can write a equivalent fraction of 7 by 10 for denominator will be 100, or another way you can multiply directly this fraction with 100 and solve it. So you know how a fraction can be multiplied by a whole number. Here 100 is a whole number, 7 by 10 is a fraction. You can cancel common factors 0 0, that is 7 by 7 multiplied 10, that is 70. You can write in your notes detail 70%. So 0.7 in fractional form 7 by 10, and percentage is 70%. 70%. Percentage symbol are written in column, no need to write there. And the second and third just like first one. Now come on here fourth one. Here given 0.25. Here 2 decimal place. First to write this number without decimal as numerator, and it's hundreds. So denominator should be hundreds. Suppose decimal as 1, and here 2 places should be 0. And then multiply this fraction by 100, or from here you can clear this is 25%, or you can multiply by 100, 100 you cancel, that is 25%. And from 4 to question number 12, all are same type. Here now 13, this is different, and here given 3 decimal point, 0.135. You can write 135 as numerator and denominator 1000. Suppose decimal as 1, 3 decimal places, so 3 zeros, and then convert into fraction. Percentage. Multiply 100, 20 cancel. 135 by 10 is 13.5%. So remaining question you should complete yourself. Suppose last one more I want to do 0.672. So this can be written 672 by 1000. This is fractional form, and this can be converted 672 by 1000 by multiplying 100. So 2020 will be cancelled, and this will be 67.2. You know how to divide by 10 by 100 by 1000 to convert into decimal. So 62.2%. I hope all of you understood. Now come on, the next exercise.